What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another episode. Today we're making something delicious. I have kind of sort of made this before, but we're doing it just a little differently. We're gonna grill it on our Blackstone, but we're making it Nashville hot honey chicken tenders. I know. So let's get started. So it's very easy. Obviously you need chicken tenders, and then I'm gonna make this extra Nashville-y hot. So I got some Nashville hot rub, and then I have stuff to make a sauce. Now, I'll put the full sauce recipe in the description below for you guys, but I've kind of made this before. I've tweaked this one a little bit because I want it to be more, I guess, hot, because I know Nashville hot does have some sweetness to it, but I still want it to be more hot sauce than anything else. So the grill's nice and hot. I'm gonna put a little layer of olive oil on. Okay, and these shouldn't take long, but I'm gonna season both sides. I'm gonna leave my bowl up at the top corner so that my butter melts, and I'll mix it as it goes. All right, so these don't take long. Take a couple minutes on each side. It's probably about 5 or 6 minutes total. But then once these reach 165, then I will toss them in here in our sauce, and then I'll throw them back on the grill and let them kind of caramelize on both sides a little bit, and then we'll serve them up and eat them. Okay, so most of these are done. Some of these still have a couple more minutes to go, but our sauce is ready, so we'll go ahead, toss the ones that are done in our sauce, and then we'll throw them back on here for a few seconds, and then we'll serve them up. All right, so there you have it, Nashville hot grilled chicken tenders. Let's try these out. All right, so these smell very spicy, but they smell really good. I don't know why I picked a hot day to eat hot food, but I did, and that's okay. But let's dig in and let's try these out. I'll go with this guy right here. Cheers. Wow, hot. Okay. So the heat doesn't hit you right away, but it slowly creeps up on you very quickly. But it's like a, wow, that's actually really spicy. Again, I don't know why I picked a hot day to do hot food, but I did. But you start off with the sweetness from the honey, and then you build your way up through the spice. But it's actually really, really yummy. The chicken's cooked beautifully, and the sauce is really, really good. Like I said, you start sweet and then you build your way up. There you have it, guys. Nashville hot honey grilled chicken tenders. If you like this video and you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that sub button and notification button. Comment down below, tell me what you guys think. And as always, peace out, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one.